The name of Filipino gymnast Carlos Edriel Yulo will forever be enshrined in the history books of Philippine sports for being the first Filipino athlete to win not one, but two gold medals in the 2024 Paris Olympics. But before becoming a two-time Olympic gold medalist, let's recap the journey of the 24-year-old dynamo from Levarisa in this report by Daryl Oclares.
Filipino gymnast Carlos Edriel Yulo made history in the 2024 Paris Olympics after winning not one but two gold medals in the men's artistic gymnastics event. Yulo ruled his pet event floor exercise last Saturday, where he tallied an impressive score of 15.00 points to bag his very first Olympic gold medal, which is also a first in the history of Philippine gymnastics. A dauntless Yulo competed in the vault finals yesterday and claimed his second gold after performing two difficult but flawless routine, which garnered an average score of 15.116. Because of this feat by Yulo, he became the very first Filipino athlete to bag two gold medals in the Olympics, a fitting victory to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the country's participation in the Summer Games.
Grabe po yung experience, grabe. Sobrang thankful kay God, grateful and blessed. Binigyan niya ako ng mga taong totoong sinusuportahan po ako and nagtiwala po sa akin ng lubos. Maraming salamat po. Hindi ko ito magagawa nang ako lang mag-isa.
Meanwhile, in a video posted online, Yulo's father Mark Andrew expressed a heartwarming message for his gymnast son.
Saya kasi matagal ng panahon niyang inaano ni kami, nire-ready kasi simula nung 2020 Japan Olympic. 4 years yan tiniis yan. Talagang pinagpaguran ng bata. Deserve niya yan. At saka talagang maraming dugo at pawis yung pinag-irapan ni Kari. Talagang gustong-gusto niya makuha yan.
Before becoming a two-time Olympic gold medalist, Yulo's path to greatness was not easy, especially as a young kid who grew up in Levarisa, Malate, Manila. He is only 7 years old when his grandfather took him to the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex to try gymnastics. Right away, he showed potential to be a talented athlete. Yulo's incredible gymnastics career sparked when he started to compete in the annual Palarong Pambansa, where he accumulated numerous medals for 5 years. He became part of the Philippine national team in 2014 and he consistently given honor to the country in the field of artistic gymnastics. In his 10-year career as a senior gymnast, he has won 6 medals in the World Championships, 15 in the Apparatus World Cup, 13 in the Asian Championships, 18 in the Southeast Asian Games, and in the 2024 Paris Olympics, Yulo finally completed his medal collection with not just one but two shiny Olympic gold medals, a testament of his hard work and perseverance as an athlete. Daryl Oclares from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.